Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. This week I'm showing you guys my lockdown routine exam edition.
Yeah. If it takes too long to hit me back, I can promise you how I react. But all I can say is at least I'll wait.
So I haven't been uploading since like the last 2 to 3 weeks because the reason was my half-yearly examinations, and I don't think any other school is conducting their half-yearly. So if your school is conducting your half-yearly examinations, please comment on below because I haven't heard any person say that their schools are having the half-yearly exam. So I thought it was a little strange, but it was not in my hand, so I had to give the exam. So today is my social science exam and it starts at 12, and right now it's 11 in the morning, and the next task on the list is breakfast. So let's move on.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you.
After the breakfast, I just wanted to do a quick revision before the exam because I think it was already 11:30 or 11:40 that time. So it would be nice to just look through the things which I have prepared for. And I don't do this daily, but if I think the exam is a little bit difficult than usual, then I do that. Next, I just pick out the things which I might need for the exam or which I must need it, and I just take out my pencil case, and you can see I'm showing my pencil case. You've already seen it like a lot of times, but I wanted to show that, so it is in the video. So next, I just pick out a notebook for writing down the subjective questions. If you didn't know, we are having both objective and subjective questions in our exams. I know it's crazy, but this is the new way of life, y'all. So we had to prepare for both of them. So I'm just taking a notebook for that, and yeah, I'm just prepared for all the things that I need. And next, I'm just showing you guys my notebook. It just has a lot of things, and I just practice in it. And I've written all my previous examinations in this notebook only. And yeah, here's my pencil case. I have some things in it like pens, erasers, sharpeners, etc. This is what 3 hours of hard work with objective and subjective looks like. Hey, I'm back. So it's 3:20 right now, and my exam ended at 3. I mean, the deadline was 3, but we submitted it like 2:45, I guess. And after that, at 3, I called a few of my friends, and we just discussed the questions which we thought were difficult or things like that. But I think the exam was overall very good and very easy. And yeah, the next thing I'm going to do is probably lunch, or I'll watch TV or some YouTube videos. I'll let you know when that happens, but till then, I think, yeah. I have no explanation of this. After lunch, I just come to my room and just watch YouTube videos. Sometimes I text my friends as well. I text my friends all the time. I mean, I am such an outgoing and like an extrovert person that I can't live without socialization, if you understand what I mean. And I was just thinking the other day that people have become so dependent on their electronics for the survival, and I think that electronics have made the lockdown so much easier. And yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I'm just doing super random things. So I'm back in my room. I think I watched YouTube for a good time, I think, and right now it's 4:25, as you can see right now, and it's not very late. So I don't know what I have to do next because my routines are not planned out. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. My days are so damn simple. I just wake up and then I do work and then I sleep again and then repeat. But you guys asked for it, so we are doing that. My next exam is on Friday. Today is Wednesday, and yeah, I have to study for it as well. And I have 1 day leave. Tomorrow is my preparation leave or preparatory leave or whatever you call that. I'm not sure, but yeah, I don't know what I'll do now, but I think I'll just watch YouTube till 5:30 or 5 or and after that I don't know what I'll do. You'll see what I'll do, guys. So I think that's it for the explanation. See you all in a bit. My mom made this cake and let me tell you, it was amazing. Well, I'm back again, so I think I'm going to study for Sanskrit now because I don't have any other choice. If I procrastinate today, I'll have to study a lot tomorrow. So I'm going to start. Hey, so I was just wondering that what is that one subject at school that you just think should not be there? For me, that is probably Sanskrit, because the thing is, it is an ancient language, which is really nice, but like learning it is difficult. So yeah, just let me know about your opinion on this. Hey all, welcome back. I just got done with Sanskrit grammar. As you saw the time lapse, I didn't include the whole 1 hour time lapse because it was like of about 5 to 6 minutes. Like the time lapse is very sped up. I think it's about 150 times sped up, so it just got to like 5 to 6 minutes. So including the whole footage would have been like a waste of time, I guess. So I didn't include the whole footage, but yeah, I'm done with that. I think it's about 7 or a little bit before, so I'm just going to be doing something. Hey, so after my Sanskrit grammar preparation, I just wanted to, you know, watch TV and reply to messages and stuff. Now, you might be wondering why am I not studying for the whole day because I have the exam in 2 days. The thing is that I usually study before the exam, which is basically the learning and stuff, and before I just revise, which is just going through important terms. And this is what I think is one of the best ways that you can perform at school, and it just improves your performance a lot. So if you want to, you can try this. I bet this would work really well. And as you can see, Divyansh is watching television with me, and you know, my days are very chill in lockdown because I am not a very busy person and I don't have a lot of work. All I have is school work, and now I have to make videos for you guys, which is one of my favorites. So it would be very soon time for dinner, so we will see what I have. My mom was very sweet and she baked a pizza for us as dinner. We have some really good pizza puffs for our dinner and they look so good, as you can see right now. Hey loves, after dinner I totally forgot to film an outro of this video, so when I'm editing this I'm realizing that I didn't film an outro. So in case you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also to hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you will become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my Mercury fam members. That's all I wanted to say for today's vlog. If you have any other video ideas, leave them down below. I'll be sure to make that, and I think that's all I wanted to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.